Hello students, I'm back with your values class. So, last time we had done the chapter on Nobel Peace Prize and non-violence. This time we are discussing more about childhood, the joy of childhood. The first thing, I'll be only reading the chapter. You also read along with me. Childhood is a period of joy and learning. Do you think children should be made to work instead of going to a school? So you people are all going to the school, but there are many children who have never seen a school. So let us read more. Know about child labor. Nana was going to the market with her father. They were traveling in their car, which was waiting at a traffic signal. A little girl, about 9 years old, came to the car with a dirty cloth to clean the windshield, the front glass of the car. Nana's father took no notice of her. Nana turned to look at her. After cleaning the glass, the girl asked for some money. So, this is the scene here. This girl is cleaning the windshield. Nana's father said, "Why do you waste your time? Why don't you go to school?" The girl kept her hands on the glass and said, "Sir, I would love to go to school, but I cannot. I have a younger sister and a brother. My brother works in a nearby tea shop. My father is sick and cannot work. My mother does some cleaning work. The money that we earn in a day can get us only one meal. What do we do?" The signal turned red. This is the scene. The signal turns red and the car moved ahead. Nana again turned around and looked at the poor girl. Her eyes were filled with tears. Childhood is a time to play, learn, grow, and develop. This is the time when children should go to school to learn. Every child has a right to be educated and lead a happy and healthy life. Okay, now I'll explain the chapter again. Beginning से. So childhood किसके लिए है? To have fun, to learn new things, to enjoy. बचपन को बचपना enjoy करने के लिए. लेकिन चाइल्ड लेबर क्या है? चाइल्ड लेबर मतलब छोटे बच्चे जो मोस्टली पुअर पॉवर्टी में बिलोंग करते हैं, पुअर फैमिलीज़ के हैं, उनको अलग अलग तरह के जॉब्स करने पड़ते हैं. ढाबे पे, रेस्टोरेंट में, क्लीनिंग वर्क, सफाई का काम, रोड पे, और कार में, जैसे यहाँ पे कार साफ़ करते समय, ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे, भीख मांगते हुए, बेगर्स बन के, कंस्ट्रक्शन इंडस्ट्री में, छोटे छोटे जो इंडस्ट्री जैसे बीड़ी मेकिंग फैक्ट्री, पटाखे मेकिंग फैक्ट्री, चॉकलेट मेकिंग फैक्ट्री, ये सब में बहुत ज़्यादा बच्चे एम्प्लॉय किए जाते हैं. तो ये चाइल्ड लेबर कहते हैं इसको. तो 14 साल से छोटी उम्र के बच्चों को आप अगर उनसे काम कराते हो तो वो क्राइम है. इट इज़ इलीगल एंड यू कैन गो टू जेल. लेकिन फिर भी बहुत सारे लोग इलीगल ये फैक्ट्रीज़ में इनको काम कराते हैं और दे कीप देम डिप्राइव्ड फ्रॉम देयर नॉर्मल चाइल्डहुड. सो यहाँ पे भी नैना एक लड़की की कहानी है जो अपने फादर के साथ कार में कहीं पे जा रहे थे और ट्रैफिक सिग्नल पे उन्होंने एक लड़की देखी जो खुद से ही कार साफ़ करने लगी और उसके बाद कार साफ़ करने के पैसे मांगे. तो फादर ने क्या कहा कि तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाती? तो उसने कहा कि मैं कैसे जाऊँ स्कूल, मेरे पापा बीमार हैं और मेरी मम्मा क्लीनिंग का काम करती है, मेरे और एक छोटा भाई और बहन है, तो हम सब काम करते तो अभी मुश्किल से एक टाइम का खाना मिलता है हमको, तो मैं कैसे जाऊँ स्कूल. तो इस तरह से वो उसको कहती है. फिर ट्रैफिक सिग्नल ग्रीन हो जाता है और उसके बाद वो चले जाते हैं कार में और ये लड़की को पीछे नैना उस लड़की को देख रही होती है. तो शी feels very bad. Okay. Now I will show you one more video related to the information of child labor. Okay.
many times have you spotted a little child working tirelessly, maybe at the tea stall, at the parking slot, or maybe on the road selling plastic flowers? Those little children whose wings of imagination are cut off and replaced by hard realities of life to earn money and feed their stomach. And yet, this seems hard. Only one out of the five children gets paid for the work. Yes, while it is extremely sad to think of such adversity, this is the real world. A world that highly talks of human dignity and liberty, and yet, still, on the other side, forces the children into the dark web of child labor. Resultantly, today, as many as 152 million children are child laborers. What must be happening in their day to day life is a hard to imagine story. Asia Pacific attributes the largest share of children working in hazardous conditions. Resultantly, it is estimated that 22,000 children die in the work field each year. To combat and bring down this number, International Labour Organization launched the World Day Against Child Labour to raise awareness on the global extent of child labour. June 12th is meant to bring together governments, employers, and civil society to think on what can be done to help them. This year's motto, Children Shouldn't Work in Fields but on Dreams, highlights the graveness of the situation. Come, let's build a new world. Let the child fulfill his dream. Let him fly high. Let him explore the beautiful nature. Let him play carelessly. Stop child labor. Today's readers will be tomorrow's leaders.
Okay, children. So, this was a little video on child labor. We'll discuss more about this in the next class. Thank you.